My name is Franklin West, and I'm an associate professor in the Regenerative Bioscience Center and the Department of Animal Dairy Science. So the major crux of this project is we're trying to develop a cell therapy for the treatment of stroke. And so stroke is a major issue. It's the #1 cause of death worldwide. It's the #5 cause of death in the United States and the first leading cause of long-term disability in the US. This project kind of was an organic process where we had developed some exciting technology looking at cells that could turn into neurons. And so then it became clear that maybe we could potentially help people with a number of neural diseases or injuries like Parkinson's or traumatic brain injury. And stroke was a major one on the list that affects a number of different groups. And so we were kind of excited about helping as many people as possible. And so that was kind of the genesis of this research. Our process includes, initially there's a stroke, and then we actually treat the patient with nanoparticles within an hour of that stroke. And the idea is that these nanoparticles actually reduce the toxicity in the brain. And then 5 days later, we transplant neural stem cells into the brain. And because we've already pre-treated them with nanoparticles, this allows these stem cells to differentiate and incorporate in larger numbers, which hopefully will lead to recovery of things like memory and motor function. What excites me about this project is relative to other stroke therapies that are being developed, which normally just try to limit the amount of brain damage that occurs. What we're working though actually turns back the clock. And so not only does it limit the damage in the brain, it also regrows that lost brain tissue. And so you're able to restore those neural networks, and so they function, and you're able to restore their motor function, their memory. You may not be able to obviously restore the memories that they've lost, but they're capable of creating new memories, which is really exciting to me. And I think it's very unique to our project relative to other therapies that are being developed.